Hello guys, welcome back to our tutorial again with Forex trading strategies. So today's video I'm going to share with you 3 ways to start a profitable trading strategy with scalping technique. Scalping technique is the best profitable trading strategy, has been used long time ago, and this is the best way to start in the Forex trading. So in Forex trading, you need to have one of the most profitable trading strategy to enter and exit the market. So one of this is scalping strategy. So 3 ways I'm going to share with you guys to start profitable trading with this scalping technique. In order for you to beat the market and to earn very fast, you need to have a broker with tight spread. So tight spread means the moment you enter the trade, you should have at least 1 to 2 pips below in order to beat the market very fast. The moment you enter, you just need to have at least one spread and slippage with minimum below 1 pips. Make sure to have that in your trading in order to beat the market and exit the market very fast. Make sure to have a proper exit plan and stick into it. So what it means by that, guys? So the moment you start trading with scalping technique, make sure to have your entry, you already coordinate with your stop loss and your take profit. Because scalping technique, you only need at least 1 to 10 pips to take the profit in the market. You need to have at least movement of the market very fast, and at least the market averaging movement, at least in 20 seconds, the market movement has 3 to 5 pips movement, right? So in order for you to cater your 10 pips within the seconds as well, right? So this is what happens mainly during news time, right? So you need to have a volatility in the market, the best volatility in the market, in order to prepare for you to have this scalping technique. But there's a disadvantage for this scalping technique. You need to glue your face, you need to glue your eyes on the monitor, or you're on your phone. If you're using your phone, you need to glue it in order for you to catch and in order to capture very fast, right? That is the disadvantage of this trading, of this strategy, the scalping, right? But in order for you to have that, we need to have that number 3. That number 3 will cater all your problems in if you are doing with scalping technique. One of the best way is to using EAs, all right? So using bots, using robots or expert advisors or EI. So personally, I like scalping strategy. I like to enter the market and exit very fast. That's my way, because I like that. And that is depends to you as well. If you're a trader, you need to determine what you are. Are you a scalper, day trader, or you're a swing trader? So that depends on your characteristics, right? But my side, I like to have a fast and easy income, right? So that is my my another strategy. Just as I'm using EAs in order for me to take out all those disadvantage that you having that in your trading on using scalping. So number 1, you need to glue your eyes on the monitor, and a very tiring, and you also need to check the spread of your broker, whether the moment you enter, you're not slipping out very far away. So make sure that you are slippage within 2 to 3 pips below, right? And your spread. To cater this, we need to use EA. I will share with you guys how to use EA, and using this strategy very easy, right? So let me share with you, and I will share with you as well how to use this EA, and I also prepare some preset files so that you can use it. You can have to look at it and check whether is it applicable for you, right? So let me share with you to you guys in my screen how to use this strategy. Okay guys, I already here in my screen, so let me share to you how to use this in your scalping strategy that you're going to use, and probably you like it, right? So let me open to you. This is Pips Plus Price Action EA 2.2 version, right? So what is the advantage of this EA is that quite a lot of advantage. So number 1 is you can set your time and what time you want to open the trade, right? So let me load my preset file. So this is my preset files right here. So let me get the scalping set, the tight spread, right? Or the tight settings. So as you can see, this one, guys, you have the start trade and the stop trade. So you can set the time when you want to trade, when your EA want to trade, and then the gap and high, because this is the price action, so you can have the gap very near, then the moment it enter the trade, and then you can also expire that particular entry if it doesn't hit, right? So you can set your lot size and your take profit and your stop loss as well. Make sure to have stop loss on your this strategy is very important. So third one is you can control your margin level management. So the moment that your EAs, you can put it this with multiple entry or multiple currency pairs, but you can control that if your account is lower than these settings, it will not trade or not open trade for you. So that means that you will not get over trading, right? So number three is another thing is you have a spread. You can control the spread of your broker, whether the moment that your broker is on high spread, so the EA will not open trade for you. You can control as well so that your trade won't continue to the next day. So we will control your trade within a day. Before the swap rates implement to your trade, the A will close that particular trade, right? Whether win or lose. So that is the plan of this. You can stick that and then continue to the next day, right? So the best thing is you can have a trailing stop, right? So I will share to you how all these settings here, how this will be implemented in the MT4 by using strategy tester. So let me share to you the strategy tester, right guys? So I will load here price action EA 2.2 version lifetime copy, use the GBP USD. So I like this EA because the advantage of this EA is we need to have a very active market so that you can get very fast your settings, right? Very fast your take profit, your TP, right? So our settings is 3 pips, so we will lock the profit and then it will continue. The moment the market reverse, it will close automatically, right? So let me share to you. I will put the date like this year. All right, then let me put that trade. Okay, as you can see that guys right here, so the EA is opening a trade. As you can see that is opening a trade after it hits here, and then we will just continue that. So it will close automatically, and then you already have profit of $4 for just one trade, right? So the moment you continue that, this EA will open up a trade from this top right here. As you can see that every candlestick, it will set the buy stop and sell stop based on your settings, right? So based on your settings that you set just now, right? So the sell trade is been reached, so it hits the sell trade. Our trailing stop is working well, so it's already closed, right? So continue more. So this trade, you can see that is a sell trade. So as you can see here, the stop loss is, as per our settings, is about 100 pips right here. So that 100 pips, the moment that the trailing stops will enable, this one will be transferred to lower down on this trade. Look, you can see that. Let me share to you how this one it works. So in order for you to protect your particular earnings on this particular trade, so that the moment that market is reversing, you already take out the profit. So you can see that. So the stop loss has been changed, right? So and then it is changed right here. So because this particular trade is already earning, and then it will lock for you the moment that the market reverses through back to here, down here, right here. So the moment it will reverse back, you already lock your profit, right? So that's the best for this EA, and you don't need to monitor this every time. The EA will do that for you. So as you can see this strategy, guys, how much the earning so far? You see that it's just about almost a month. You already earn about at least 15% from this strategy alone, right? So of course you have plus minus, you have stop loss, definitely will lose sometimes, but majority of it is earnings. You can see the result is about 15% right here, right? See that guys? It's about $158 from your capital of 1,000. So that is the strategy that we have for this EA. Alright guys, so if you need this EA price action strategy, you need this bot, please download down the link below. It's a free trial version. You can try this strategy, and make sure to comment as well down below if you need a presets, that if you like this strategy of scalping strategy, you need a presets which pair that is good for this EA. Down the link below, I will send to you, I will reply to you on your comments. So down below, make sure to comments that what particular settings or what presets that we will send to you in this scalping strategy. Alright guys, thanks a lot. Make sure to comment and make sure to download this EA on the link below of this video.